Welcome! If you're here, it's because you want to know how to make money online and whether Affiliate Mentor is the right opportunity for you. Stick around to the end because I'm revealing exclusive bonuses that will help you get more traffic, leads, and signups. Bonuses that you will not find anywhere else. And here's the real truth. Affiliate Mentor is not just another affiliate program. It's a system built for leveraging high ticket commissions, scaling passive and residual income, and optimizes your chances of success in ways that other programs don't offer. And the main thing is we have high ticket traffic. They are traffic gurus. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, buckle up because I'm going to break down exactly how it works, how much you can make, and how to use smart strategies to maximize your profits. This is Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. Let's dive in. So before I get into the program, I want to let you know I'm a real person and I've been involved in the make money online space for about 12 to 13 years. And I've dibbled and dabbled and I made money here and there and I've helped others make money, but more than anything, I've struggled to consistently make money online. But my whole world changed on the morning of November 20th. This is written from my son's point of view. When my wife was struck by a car while crossing the street attempting to catch the bus home from the night shift at Golden Gate Petroleum in Reno, Nevada. The accident left her with severe injuries including fractures in her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain that doctors are closely monitoring. Now she had several surgeries, and this was November 20th, so about almost 6 months in, and she's still not even able to walk. She's had tremendous strides, but she needs help. And as you can see, we've only raised about $445 through GoFundMe. So so you can see, and we're thankful for the donations, and we've also had our the job has been raising money as well. So anybody who's not only shared the story or reached out to Felicia, talked to her, or the well wishes, everything matters. And so she's very grateful, and we're very grateful. But my point is, you cannot count on tomorrow being promised. Anything can happen. You could lose your job, knock on wood. You could be hit by a car. You could have an accident in a car. You could have a heart attack. Who knows what tomorrow's going to bring? Now, my wife's life changed forever, and so did mine when she was hit by a car. This is an experience that tested everything: our mindset, financial stability, and long-term security. That moment made me realize why passive and residual income matters so much. And I've gone into overdrive into trying to find the best mentor and the best program. This is why building an online system that works for you is the key to financial independence. That's why I turned to affiliate marketing. And that's why I'm sticking with the right mentor. I had to find the right mentor. Now, since I found Justin and his team in the last month and a half, I've mastered SEO, built high-ranking YouTube content, developed conversion-focused strategies, building my list, and I'm committed to helping countless people achieve financial success online. And today, I'm going to do the same for you. Now, let's break down Affiliate Mentor step by step. Now, Affiliate Mentor is structured for scalable, profitable affiliate marketing success, but it's not just one size fits all. You can start at different membership levels, get in where you fit in, and each have unique earning potential. Here's the breakdown. This is the brand new Spark, Affiliate Mentor Spark. And so you see we have a member, Cheryl Hannah, that joined 5/21/25. Shout out to Cheryl Hannah for taking action and trying and committing to learn the strategies to help her team make money online and get consistent traffic. Now, the Spark membership only costs $25, and you can turn $25 into as much as $500 a day. Now, how long it takes to make $500, that's entirely up to you. But This system is amazing. People talk about spillover in programs that only pay 25 to 50 cents and talk about how you can make 4,000 a month by doing nothing. That's not legitimate. And to make 4,000 a month with 50-cent program per per person with the spillover, that's 4,000 times 50 cents is 8,000 people. Do you really think you're getting 8,000 people spilled over to you? Now, in this case, when I fill this matrix, 6 positions, when we have spillover, spill under, we have about 6 ways to fill this. I make 50 bucks. And when Cheryl Hanna or another person fills it, I make another $25. Again, that could be done in hours, it could be done in days, it could be done in weeks. It's again, how committed are you going to be to this system? Because this system is freaking amazing. And you can get started for as little as $25 and get high quality traffic and a system that's built for success. So now our next level is core. And this is a residual income. So how it works is you pay $50 a month, and then you can make residual income for every member that joins. So that means you get paid every single month. Think Netflix or any month-to-month service like HBO Max, etc., etc. So you have residual bills. Why wouldn't you want residual income, right? So residual income is powerful, and you can get started with core for as little as $50 a month. Now the VIP club, again, is a matrix, a 2x2 matrix, okay? And people can spill under, it can get paid with spill over. And when I finish my 6, with my team's help, because I'm in a rotator, and you can have a rotator too, we'll talk more about that later. Anytime I do that, I make $500. Now it's really $750 because it's $250 to open up a brand new matrix and a brand new 2x2 for unlimited potential. Now, when somebody else cycles, I get a 50% check match. So that could be you right here. When you get to here, now a whole new board is started and you'll be my first position. So this is unlimited potential to make money online and get even up to 50% traffic. We also have a system where you can pay 20, 30, or even 40 cents even if somebody doesn't join you, if they're reading your emails. What? You can get paid even if somebody doesn't buy anything? Yes. With this system, you can. And then we have core annual, which works again. It's if you don't want to pay month to month, you could pay the annual and save a lot of money. That is $397 for the core annual, the $50 for the core, and $297. That's not correct. It's about $750, give or take. Okay, and how much would that cost normally? Well, $50 just times 12 is $600. Okay, but again, you're paying like $397. But they're not giving you 1 year; they're giving you 2 years. So that is 24 payments times $50 a month. That'd be $1,200. And again, you pay $397 once every 2 years. So again, and my strategy is when you buy, go all in, okay, for about $750 one time, I get $200 for the core annual, I get $20 for the core, and this is what I do with it. Give me one moment, I'll be right back, because I already bought traffic. As you can see, this is my Traffic Authority payment receipt, and Affiliate Mentor is a Traffic Authority I want. Okay, so, and you can see it costs $220, and I paid for this out of my own pocket. for get my lead team, leads, traffic, and sales. Okay, build my email list, build your email list. But if you go all in with me, I'll take that 220 and I will buy traffic for you and me. Depending on the level you choose, you can earn commissions ranging from $25 to up to $500 per sale. And when structured properly, the system allows exponential growth through strategic marketing and automation. Now, I want to show you YouTube real quick before I talk about the bonuses, because you can see when I go to incognito, I'm going to look for affiliate mentor traffic. And you can see we are not logged in. You see how it says incognito? The very first video was from 23 hours ago, and you can see there's my wife again. Make Money Online with JJ. That's our team. This is a whole list by Postcard Lifestyle. He is on our team. That's another video by me. That's another video by our team. That's another video by me. That's another video by me. And I'm going to check for another keyword. See, this isn't just one. How do you win Monopoly? You get properties and you get hotels, and these are the properties. Affiliate mentor traffic. Well, here's another one. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. Just so you see this is live. I dropped my mouse, sorry. Just so you see this is live. Okay, so Business and Marketing with Fanchone. That is a member of our team. So is Make Money Online. That's me. Make Money Online with JJ. Charles S. Dukes is on our team. Here's another Fanchone. This is a brand new member, Brian. He just joined about 2 days ago, and he already got 77 views on his short. Amazing. Congratulations. Another video by me. Michael De La Cruz is on our team. So is Mr. Orange Dream. Are you seeing what I mean, okay? We are dominating these keywords. Now, no matter what level you get in, you get this site. This site is what is helping our team dominate YouTube. If you are sending your team, this is the training site, okay? And you get even 150 email swipes. You get bridge video training. You get the keywords to do now. We teach you how to make your first YouTube video. That's a 33-minute video, okay? This is the exact what I'm doing every single day and what others are dominating YouTube with. Now, you're sending people to a site like this. Look, this is a company page, okay? This is what our page looks like, okay? Give me a moment. I'll be right back. See, here's the game changer. When you join through our team, you get exclusive high-value bonuses that give you a competitive edge over everybody else. You get the best bonuses. You get the best team training. You get the best team to help you. This is our site with our $15,000 worth of bonuses, okay? And you can watch the video. We have SEO optimization training. We learn how to rank your content on Google and YouTube like a pro marketer. Advanced traffic hacks, mentorship, and personal coaching. And look at our bonuses, okay? Access to the team traffic rotator. We're not only going to give you put you in our rotator, we're going to make you your own rotator. You have access to our team solid training site. We will train you and your people and your people's people. And you have access to me and my team, okay? Now, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing success to the next level, then this is your chance. Join the best team with the best bonuses and the best training, and let's build something unstoppable together. Click the first link in the description or text me directly at 775-460-7938 to get started today. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more high-level affiliate marketing strategies, and let me know in the comments, what did you like most about this video? This is Affiliate Meta Review 2025, and if you're ready to make serious money online, don't wait. Take action now. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Sollyman. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.